Good morning, traders. This is Chad, and I am the Trader Baron. Today, we're going to discuss the 5 essentials of successful trading. Now, this is kind of a high-level overview. I hope to go more in depth in each of these in subsequent videos. So, number 1, and I believe that this is probably the most important part of trading, and that is to define your risk. Always define your risk. Before you get into any trade, know what your risk is. Know what your risk to reward is, and let that determine whether or not you are going to enter the trade. Now, do I mean to never enter a naked position, to never sell a naked put or a naked call? No, absolutely not. Or do I mean to never outright buy or short stock? No. But before you get into any of those positions, you have to be able to define your risk. Now, if you're an advanced trader, maybe defining your risk is a little bit different than someone who is just starting out. Someone who's just starting out needs to define their risk in a way that they know exactly the maximum that they could lose on a particular trade. Now, an advanced trader might know how to manage losers and have the patience and endurance to manage those losers. Number 2, number of occurrences. You got to stay engaged. The number of occurrences simply means that you are consistently looking for and placing trades. Number of occurrences also means that you need to have a number of trades on at all times. That you can't be successful in trading if you are not consistently trading. There will be winners, then there will be losers, and in order to compensate for the losers, you have to have the winners. And the only way to have winners is being engaged in the market. Market engagement also keeps you in tune with what's going on and where the market is, so that you can make reasonably educated decisions on what kinds of positions you're going to enter. Number 3, you got to have a compounding plan. And along with the compounding plan is position sizing. A lot of traders get in trouble because they don't position size correctly. In the beginning, you got to start out small. You got to increase your size quickly. You have to continually increase your size to a certain level based on your winners, so that you are actually playing with the house's money. A compounding plan makes it so that you are using your winnings to increase your size and increase the amount that you are bringing in, and therefore compounding your winnings. If you stay at trading a single lot or 2 lots or 5 lots, whatever it is that you're trading at a single time, the growth of your account is going to be stagnant. You're never going to be able to go beyond a certain level. So you have to have a plan for compounding. And I have a plan that is very easy to follow and will be showing and sharing with you in the future. Now, number 4, this is a big one. Play the probabilities. Don't swing for the fences. So many people get lost in swinging for the fences. They buy an option which has a very low probability of profit and end up, just losing. Or they buy a stock which is a 50-50 proposition. You have a 50% chance of being right. I don't like to do that, and I don't think it's a smart way of investing your money. You can invest your money in a way where you have an edge. I want to be the house. So when it comes to trading, I play the probabilities. In a casino, there are people that win, but who wins consistently? The house. I want to be the house. And there are ways of trading where you can play the probabilities, where you can have a consistent 65 to 85 or higher percent chance of winning. To me, that's the only way of becoming a successful trader, playing the probabilities. And the last one, number 5, is choosing the right broker. Now I have tested nearly every broker. I can't say that. I haven't tested nearly every broker, but I've tested a lot of them. E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Scottrade, Interactive Brokers, and a few other small brokers along the way. And we are in an amazing time where we finally have a broker who has been created by traders for traders. They know what it takes to be successful as a trader, and they know how to treat their customers right. And so I'm super excited. I have switched all of my trading over to Tastyworks. There's just not a better broker out there. Now their platform, it's not the best yet, but they're working on it. They're brand new. It still is a great platform. There you go. Those are the 5 essentials to successful trading. We'll look at these more in depth in future videos. Thanks, and I hope your trading is going well.